In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see game library on Epic Games website. If you're trying to view the games associated with your Epic Games account using the Epic Games website, you may notice that the experience is different from using the Epic Games launcher. In the launcher, there's a dedicated library section where all of your games are displayed. However, on the website, there isn't a separate page that lists your entire game library in the same way. In this video, I'll show you the available method for viewing the games connected to your account through the Epic Games website. To get started, open your web browser and visit the Epic Games website. Before continuing, make sure you're signed in to the correct Epic Games account. If you're not already logged in, sign in using your account credentials and wait for the website to finish loading. After you're signed in, look toward the upper right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. A menu will appear with several account-related options. From that menu, click Account. This will open your Epic Games account management page in your browser. Once the account page has loaded, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Scroll through the available options until you find Transactions, then click on it. This section contains your account's transaction history, including purchases and other eligible acquisitions associated with your Epic Games account. At the moment, the Transactions page is the closest option available on the Epic Games website for reviewing the games you've obtained through your account. As you scroll through your transaction history, you'll be able to see the games and other eligible items that have been added to your account over time. If you've claimed games during promotions or purchased titles from the Epic Games Store, they'll appear within this history. Take your time scrolling through the list to review your previous transactions. Depending on how long you've been using your Epic Games account, you may have multiple pages or a lengthy history to browse through. This allows you to verify the games associated with your account, even though the website doesn't currently provide a dedicated library page like the launcher does. If you want a more organized view of your installed and owned games, you can always open the Epic Games launcher and select the Library section, where your games are displayed in a dedicated interface. On the website, however, the Transactions page is currently the primary place to review your game history. And that's all there is to viewing your game library information on the Epic Games website using the available account tools. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,